वेलकम टू ऑल द व्यूअर्स। मैं अंकुश सिंह आपका जीके के टॉप 25 क्वेश्चंस के साथ दिस इंस्ट्रक्टर में स्वागत करता हूं। इससे पहले मैंने 3 पार्ट अपलोड कर दिया है और यह पार्ट 4 है। तो आपने अगर इसमें से कोई वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो प्लेलिस्ट या डिस्क्रिप्शन से जाकर जरूर देख लें। ये सभी क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इससे कई बार प्रश्न पूछा भी गया है। तो वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिएगा और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों में शेयर भी जरूर करें। और इस तरह की वीडियो डेली पाने के लिए चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए हम क्वेश्चंस पर ध्यान देते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच कंट्री हैज़ लार्जेस्ट बाउंड्री? इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज कनाडा। कनाडा इज अ कंट्री विच हैज़ लार्जेस्ट बाउंड्री। नेक्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन रेंज? Andes. Andes is the name of the world largest mountain range and it is in South America. Which lens is used to correct myopia or nearsightedness? Myopia is a disease in which we can see nearby objects but can't see far by objects. And it is corrected by using concave lens. Next question is, which lens is used to correct hypermetropia and it is also known as farsightedness? Hypermetropia is a disease in which we can see far object but can't see nearby object, and it is corrected by using convex lens. Next one is, what is the study of cell called? Study of cell is known as cytology. Next one is, who discovered cell? Its correct answer is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke is a scientist who discovered cell in 1665. Next one is question number 7. What is the pH of milk? pH of milk is 6.5 to 6.7. Next one is, what is the pH of curd? pH of curd is 4.5 to 5.5. Next one is, light year is used to measure distance. Light year is used to measure distance. Next one is, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity? Its correct answer is 9.8 meter per second square or 32 feet second square. Both are important for the exam, meter square or feet square. What is the national sports of Pakistan? Its correct answer is hockey as India. On which date Louis Braille Day is observed? Louis Braille Day is observed on 4 January. Question number 13 is, which blood vessels carries the blood away from the heart to various body parts? Arteries. Arteries is a blood vessel which carries the blood away from the heart to various body parts. Next one is, which blood vessels carry the blood from various body part to the heart? Its opposite. Its correct answer is vein. It carries blood from the various body parts to the heart. Next one is, name the blood vessels which connect the arteries to the veins. Capillaries. Capillaries is the blood vessel which connects both arteries and veins. Who is regarded as the father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. John McCarthy is regarded as the father of artificial intelligence. Next one is, legislature or parliament of Japan is known as? Its answer is Diet. Diet is known as the parliament of Japan or parliament or legislature of Japan, and the capital of Japan is Tokyo. Next one is, legislature of Afghanistan is known as? Legislature or parliament of Afghanistan is known as Sur, and its capital is Kabul. Afghanistan capital is Kabul. Next one is, which plant tissue transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaf? Xylem. Xylem is a tissue which transports water and minerals from the root to the leaf. And next one is, which plant tissue transports food from leaves to different parts of plant? Its answer is phloem. Phloem is the plant tissue which transports food from leaves to different parts of plants. Who was appointed as the constitutional advisor of Constitutional Assembly? B.N. Rao. B.N. Rao was appointed as the constitutional advisor of Constitutional Assembly. Next one is, what is national sports of Spain? Bullfighting. Bullfighting is national sports of Spain. Next one is, who is the author of famous book Wealth of Nation? Its correct answer is Adam Smith. Adam Smith is the author of famous book Wealth of Nations. And the second last question is, which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Barometer. Barometer is an instrument which is used to measure atmospheric pressure. And the last question of this video is, reading of barometer going down suddenly is an indication of. It is an indication of storm if reading of barometer going down suddenly. So if you like it, then please like and share to your friends, and also subscribe our channel for getting notification. And for more videos, you should move to playlist. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.